Hello everybody, you got Chris537 with you. We're testing out the Anarchy Underground Commodore. We got the ceramic RAM chips, quite a few socketed chips fortunately, which makes it a good BBS machine. We got the wiring harness hooked up for the diagnostic, and we are running this specific diagnostic cartridge. Got everything hooked in appropriately, and see if we get a clear picture here. There we go. Ran 32 times right there. Everything's still in blue. On the last run, I did realize that the SID chip was bad. Hear how beautiful that sounds. So anyway, it was this chip right here, and I had a few extra in my stash right here, so we popped one in there, and so hopefully we won't have any more crashes for a while. I think that might have been a problem on the previous video before this one. You can hear what it was doing. So it's good stuff having things like this around, man. I need to have one around, having these bulletin boards going on. You know, endless chaos and all that good stuff. So, hell yeah, I thought I'd share it all with you, man. I think we got the SID problem taken care of.